Welcome to the Twirling Penny activity. On racetracks with high-speed turns, such as velodromes, speedways, or even on some highways, engineers design banked curves to help vehicles maintain traction as they move through the turn. In this activity, you will explore the forces that affect a penny as it moves through a continuous high-speed turn. So let's take a look at the materials. You need your student activity sheet. You'll need the penny. You'll also need a coat hanger that's been bent upward like this, okay? And you'll definitely need a pair of safety goggles. So here's your challenge. First, you'll put on your safety goggles, get your penny, and you're going to need to balance it on the coat hanger, which can be one of the toughest parts. A little tip I can give you is hold the penny so that it's laying right on two of your fingers there. You can even place your thumb on top of it so you can kind of get a feel for when it's balanced. There we go. You also want the penny fairly flat on the tip of the coat hanger, okay? And you want that tip of the coat hanger pointing pretty much straight up towards your finger, which is going to be the center of your circle that it's moving through. All right? Now, your challenge is to twirl the coat hanger around in a circle so that the penny stays right on that tip. Here we go. Another tip, go back and forth fairly slowly to start with, and then go all the way around. Ready? So once you get the penny going, you're going to have a couple other challenges, one of which is to stop the penny. So make sure you put on your goggles and have fun.